An order is written to add 600 milliliters of 10% amino acid solution to a PN, parental nutrition. That's irrelevant for this question. The only concentration in the stock is a 15% solution. How many milliliters of the 15% solution should the pharmacist add? So the goal of this question is to figure out how much drug is in this amount first. So to figure that out, I'm going to start with 600 milliliters of the solution and then multiply that by the 10%. So 10% means 10 grams of drug over 100 milliliters of the solution. And it also could mean 100 milliliters of the solution over 10 grams of drug. I know which one to use in the question because I start off with 600 milliliters and then I want to cancel out the solution. So I'm going to make sure that solution is in the denominator. So this one on the left here is what I'm going to use because it has solution in the denominator. So solution and solution cancel out. So I have 60 grams of drug. So this I'm going to need, this is what I'm looking for. I need this total amount in milliliters because that's what the question is asking. How many milliliters of the 15% solution that I should add? So 15% solution is the same thing as 15 grams of drug over 100 milliliters of solution. And that's the same thing as 100 milliliters of solution over 15 grams of drug. I'm going to know which one to use based on whatever I'm starting with. So now I'm going to use the 15% solution. Right, so I have the 60 grams of drugs here, right? 60 grams of drug. And to convert that to milliliters, I'm going to use that conversion factor, the 15% solution, right? So I'm going to either use this one or this one. And I know to use this one because it has grams of drug in the denominator that I'm going to use to cancel this out. So times it by 100 milliliters of the solution divided by 15 grams of drug. So grams of drug cancel out. And so when I solve for this, the answer is 400 milliliters of the solution. So that's my answer. So make sure when you put in the computer, just follow the instructions. The answer is numeric, no units or commas, and round final answer to the nearest whole number. And it's already a whole number, so you don't need to round it. So you put in the computer 400, and that's your answer.